Hello everyone, this is Rick with Cybernetics, and we're here to talk about a ruggedized case for the Galaxy A52. So let's get started. I just recently purchased the Galaxy A52, haven't set it up yet, but I definitely wanted to get a ruggedized case for it. This is from, I don't know if you say Spigen, probably butchering the name. But anyway, I had used this on the A21s that I dumped in the pool. And I like these because they're really simple. And I did drop the A21s a few times while it was still functional. And this case definitely has a nice tactile feel. The buttons easily accessible on the side. Even has a little bit of a raised edge around the cameras to give them a little bit of protection when you're laying the phone down on the table or something like that. All the ports are visible. It doesn't block the speaker or the charging port. All those are accessible. The only thing is you are blocking the SIM access, but you're probably not taking that in and out all the time. So other than that, everything else is readily available. This is for the Galaxy A52s 5G 52, and it's called the Rugged Armor. So if you have any questions or comments, please post them below. Hope you will consider subscribing and have a great and wonderful automation day.